Hello everyone! Today, I invite you to witness a story. It begins long before our cities awaken. A story that starts with the very first ray of sunlight touching the soil of India. Before the nation begins its routine, there is one silent force already at work: the Indian farmer.
As dawn breaks across the countryside, a gentle mist rises above endless fields. The wind whispers through the crops, and the earth prepares for another day of giving life. Everything begins with the soil. Without healthy soil, there can be no healthy crops. Across villages throughout India, farmers step into their fields carrying not just tools but generations of knowledge. A farmer never simply grows crops, a farmer grows dreams. The most beautiful moment in a farmer's journey is the day of harvest. It is the reward for their patience, hard work, and unwavering faith in nature. When farmers succeed, India succeeds. Neither does the commitment of those who care for it.
At Biosar, we believe agriculture is strongest when science and nature work together. We believe that farmers are not just the backbone of our nation. They are the guardians of our future.
And we also believe that all the farmers should have access to our dependable solutions that improve soil health while protecting the environment. Farmers can do sustainable farming with the help of our products because it is not only just about today's crop, it is about tomorrow's opportunities.
It is about standing beside farmers during every season and helping farming families build a brighter future with confidence. That promise is at the heart of everything we do.
Today, as we proudly celebrate India's independence, Biosar is bringing you a special 15th August offer on some of our most trusted products, including Biosar VAM, Biosar Neem Oil, Biosar Cams, and many more.
Give your crops the care they deserve while enjoying exclusive Independence Day savings. Visit our Amazon store and grab these limited-time discounts before the offer ends. This Independence Day, grow stronger, save more, and celebrate with Biosar. At Biosar, we are proudly supporting Indian farmers. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind!